Yo, whoever falls off first
Harder,
loses.
Kurt.
Whoever falls off first loses.
Okay, wait. Am I gonna cut my feet on this?
On what?
On the bottom?
Maybe. Spin it out more so you're deeper.
Come on. Smart? How about I get off and I put my actual shorts on?
I think you look good,
Take off my
Mario.
shoes, which I just dry.
Kurt, look at him. He's not scared at all.
Mario's like shitting himself.
Wow.
See his face right now.
Wow.
Yo, this thing won't tip.
Oh, it will.
You guys are making waves.
Yo, move out more. Mario's gonna like hit his head on a rock.
Okay, let's have a contest. You stand on that tip, I'll stand on this tip.
Okay, fine, but go out further, guys. Go deeper. And Mario, if you have your shoe, yeah.
Video?
Yeah. He stood up. Oh my god.
Stand up, Mario.
Oh my god.
Stand up. Stand up.
Wow. Are you guys scared? Mario's scared.
Mario's gonna fall. Mario, now get back in and flip the boat.
What?
Get back in and then flip the boat.
Look at Kurt.
Oh.
Come on, come get me.
You're right.
Go.
He's not.
Let me get back on. Oh, yeah. Come on.
He's not even coming towards you.
I know he's not. Hey, you want to try that again for real? Yeah. Okay, but don't tip it. I won't tip it.
You guys are laughing too hard.
Come on, get closer.
Mario, how's the water?
Really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, but honestly, I'll try to bounce it. We'll try again.
Okay, let me in.
How's he gonna get back in?
He looks like a fucking monkey. Oh my god. Serena, we should try.
Yeah, right.
That'd be sick, yo. Episode 2. And then the finalists move on.
You're
Oh my god.
so funny.
Make a tournament out of this.
Most retarded tournament
He's
ever.
gonna tip you. This is so funny.
You guys have a minute.
Oh. Woo! Yay! They're not so wobbly now. They like got the hang of it.
Right now it's 1-0 Kurt. hurt.